Traveling can be exciting, but waiting in line to pick up your rental car, not so much. Long wait times at rental counters can be a hassle, especially when you're eager to hit the road. The good news is there are ways to make your car rental pickup time faster and make the process quick and seamless. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Book your rental in advance. Booking your rental car ahead of time is the first and most crucial step to a quicker pickup. Last-minute bookings often lead to confusion, delays, or limited vehicle options at the counter. By reserving your car online in advance, you'll have your details already in the system, saving valuable time. Many rental companies, like those found on AutoRentals, allow you to input your preferences, such as car type, add-ons, and insurance, during the booking process. Use Express Check-in or loyalty programs. Most major car rental companies offer Express Check-in or loyalty programs that prioritize members during pickup. Signing up for these programs often comes with perks like skipping the counter altogether and heading straight to your car. Programs like Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, Avis Preferred, or Enterprise Plus are free to join and can save you a lot of time on your next trip. Provide all necessary information ahead of time. Ensure all required documents and personal details are provided when booking your car. This includes your driver's license, payment information, and any other forms requested by the rental company. Some companies even allow you to upload this information online before your arrival. This way, you won't waste time digging through your bag or filling out forms at the counter. Choose off-peak times for pickup. If possible, avoid picking up your car during peak travel hours. Airports and rental locations tend to be busiest in the late morning and early afternoon when flights are arriving. Opting for an early morning or late evening pickup can help you avoid long lines and get on your way faster. Use a mobile app. Many car rental companies have mobile apps that streamline the entire rental process. With these apps, you can check in, manage your reservation, and sometimes even unlock the car without needing to visit the counter. Brands like Budget, National, and Alamo have user-friendly apps that make the process faster and more convenient. Opt for a contactless pickup. Contactless pickup options are becoming increasingly popular, especially at airports and major rental locations. With this service, you can bypass the counter entirely, head directly to your vehicle, and hit the road. Some rental companies offer digital kiosks or provide a code to access your car. To learn more about contactless car rentals and how they work, check out our guide. Avoid extras at the counter. If you want to save time, skip making decisions about add-ons like GPS units, insurance, or toll passes at the counter. Decide on these extras when booking your car online to avoid additional delays. For example, you already know you need some kind of insurance to drive any car. Don't wait until the last second to verify if you have it either through the rental company or through another method you may already have, or it will take longer to get you on the road. Be prepared with documentation. Have your driver's license, reservation confirmation, and credit card ready to go. Being organized will speed up the process, especially if the agent asks for verification. If you're traveling internationally, double-check if you need an international driving permit. Conclusion. While picking up a rental car can sometimes feel like a chore, following these tips can help you minimize delays and maximize your travel time. With a bit of preparation, you'll be out of the rental lot and on your way to your destination in no time.